Are you racing against the world, or are you running away from yourself? Between the peaks of ambition and the abyss of exhaustion, there is a path that few dare to walk. It's not about letting go of everything, it's about finding the perfect equilibrium. Welcome to the middle way. Welcome to Buddha's path to peace. Today, we explore how to find true balance in our incredibly chaotic, modern, urban world. Look around you. The relentless hustle of city life often pushes us towards absolute exhaustion, leaving our minds completely drained and empty. We are often caught between two dangerous extremes, working until severe burnout, or abandoning everything for a temporary, fake sense of peace. Neither of these paths brings genuine happiness. Instead, they trap us in a vicious cycle of endless stress and profound emotional dissatisfaction. The middle way emerges as our ultimate salvation, offering a practical approach to navigate this overwhelming modern existence with profound inner clarity. This ancient wisdom teaches us that we do not have to completely abandon our worldly responsibilities to achieve a serene, peaceful mind. We can actively participate in society while maintaining a calm center, acting like an anchor amidst the raging storms of daily life. Today, we will focus on three main pillars to effectively integrate this beautiful philosophy into your demanding personal and professional daily routines. By understanding these essential pillars, you will transform your relationship with success, stress, and the very nature of your own deep desires. Let us begin our journey of transformation together, discovering how ancient mindfulness can powerfully reshape our modern pursuit of happiness and success. The first crucial pillar is recognizing mindful ambition. Instead of blindly chasing meaningless milestones, we must clearly identify our true core values. Society constantly dictates what success should look like, but true fulfillment comes from aligning your daily actions with your deepest, authentic purpose. When you finally connect with your core values, ambition miraculously transforms from a crushing burden into a sustainable, joyful source of motivation. You no longer run out of fear or societal pressure. Instead, you move forward with a quiet, powerful, and deeply rooted intention. Mindful ambition allows us to strive for excellence without attaching our entire personal worth to the unpredictable outcomes of our worldly endeavors. We learn to deeply appreciate the journey itself, finding immense joy in the process, rather than obsessing over the final destination ahead. This profound shift in perspective liberates us from the toxic culture of constant comparison and endless competition that plagues our modern society. You become the master of your own path, walking steadily with confidence, grace, and a clear understanding of what truly matters most. Remember that your energy is incredibly precious. Mindful ambition ensures you invest it wisely in pursuits that genuinely nourish your beautiful soul. By embracing this first pillar, you lay a solid foundation for a balanced life, where professional growth and inner peace coexist harmoniously. Take a deep breath and reflect on your current goals. Are they truly yours, or were they imposed upon you by others? Letting go of false ambitions is incredibly liberating. It creates spaciousness in your mind for what genuinely brings you lasting, profound joy. As we transition to the next principle, keep this mindful ambition close to your heart. It will guide your steps moving forward. Cultivating this inner compass requires patience and gentle awareness, but the reward is a life lived with absolute authenticity and profound meaning. The middle way beautifully harmonizes our outward achievements with our inward tranquility, proving that true success never requires sacrificing your mental health. This brings us to the second pillar, establishing strong mental boundaries. We must learn the essential art of disconnecting to connect deeper. In our busy world, our attention is constantly fragmented by endless notifications, demands, and the relentless noise of our digital, modern environments. Creating firm boundaries is not an act of selfishness. It is a vital practice of personal preservation and deep respect for well-being. Prioritizing mental health care, such as daily meditation, regular physical movement, and restful sleep, is absolutely essential for your sustainable daily success. These restorative practices are never barriers to career advancement. Rather, they are the premium quality fuel necessary for brilliant creativity and decisions. When you rest deeply, your mind processes complex information, allowing innovative solutions to naturally surface without forcing or straining your cognitive abilities. Imagine your mind as a beautiful, clear lake. Constant activity stirs up the mud, but stillness allows the waters to become transparent. By intentionally stepping away from the daily grind, you give yourself the precious gift of clarity, returning to your tasks completely refreshed. Setting boundaries means learning to say no to external demands that drain your energy, protecting your sacred time for genuine personal restoration. It empowers you to be fully present in whatever you do, whether you are working intensely or enjoying a quiet, peaceful evening. Notice how your productivity actually increases when you stop glorifying exhaustion and start honoring your natural biological need for rest and recovery. True professionals understand that managing their energy is far more critical than simply managing their time in a stressful daily work schedule. Embrace the silence. Allow yourself to unplug completely from the digital world and reconnect with the simple, profound rhythms of your breathing. These well-defined mental boundaries act as an invisible shield, guarding your inner peace against the chaotic, unpredictable storms of the world. With a well-rested mind and strong boundaries, you are now fully prepared to embrace the third and most challenging spiritual pillar. The third pillar is the profound discipline of letting go. We must learn to gracefully accept those things we simply cannot control. Much of our daily suffering stems from our stubborn desire to manipulate every single outcome and force reality to match our expectations. The universe operates according to its own complex laws, and trying to control everything is a guaranteed recipe for endless, overwhelming anxiety. Letting go does not mean giving up or being passive. It means taking right action while completely surrendering attachment to the results. When we release our tight grip on specific outcomes, we paradoxically open ourselves up to infinite possibilities that we never previously imagined. This beautiful discipline requires immense courage, as it asks us to trust the natural flow of life. Instead of our anxious thoughts, imagine holding a handful of sand. The tighter you squeeze your fist, the more quickly the sand slips through your tense fingers. But if you keep your hand relaxed and open, the sand rests peacefully in your palm. This is the art of surrender. By accepting impermanence and unpredictability, we cultivate a deep, unshakable resilience that allows us to weather any unexpected crisis with profound grace. You learn to navigate failures and setbacks, not as devastating defeats, but as valuable lessons that gently guide you back into alignment. As we bring these three pillars together, we realize that the true peak of success does not lie at the final destination. The ultimate pinnacle is actually found in your remarkable ability to hold the steering wheel steady. Amidst the turbulent, unpredictable river currents, sustainable success and genuine happiness only exist when your mind remains stable, grounded, and deeply anchored in the wisdom of the present. The middle way is not a rigid set of rules, but a dynamic, lifelong practice of continuous adjustment and gentle self-awareness. It is about finding your unique balance point every single day, navigating the beautiful dance between worldly engagement and profound spiritual detachment. You can achieve extraordinary things in your professional life while maintaining a heart that is completely at peace with the surrounding universe. We hope this journey into the middle way inspires you to redefine your ambitions and fiercely protect your precious personal mental well-being. Take these timeless principles into your busy week and watch how they miraculously transform your daily struggles into moments of profound clarity. Remember, peace is not a distant destination. It is the very path you choose to walk upon every single moment of life. Thank you for joining us today. May you find true balance on your journey. Farewell from Buddha's path to peace. Stay mindful.